Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today's video we're going to be talking about how to earn money online in 2018. Now this is your first time to the channel, welcome. And the purpose of my channel is to help people who are just starting out in affiliate marketing, or someone who's been struggling for a while to earn money online, and just document my journey in building an affiliate marketing business from scratch, from start to finish, showing you how to be a full-time employee and to go to a full-time entrepreneur. I've been a physical therapist for 28 years, and I'm going to leave a link below this video to this video here about my story and my background, so you can see exactly what my purpose is. And I'm all about helping people. I've helped people for 28 years as a physical therapist, but now I'm turning my attention to affiliate marketing. I'm going to be able to show you my journey and help you along the way as well. So the product that I chose to promote with this case study series is the Super Affiliate Network. And as I go through this, I'm going to be showing you what I'm learning. I'm going through the Profit Boosting Bootcamp. And what we're going to be talking about today, again, is how to earn money online in 2018. Now, everyone wants to learn how to earn money online, but why is it that you have maybe tried things and haven't been successful? That's because there's certain things that have to be in place in order to have a sustainable, profitable business. And that's how I'm going to be teaching, is that I don't want to teach you something that will just earn quick money. I want you to learn the basics and be able to have a business that will be around for a long time. It will stand the test of time. Because if you're going to be replacing your income, you want something that will be there for you. Okay, so the missing piece of the puzzle is that there is a huge myth that traffic plus conversions equals money. So basically people are buying lots and lots of courses on traffic, thinking if you get enough traffic to an offer that you'll get conversions and money, and that just isn't the case. You might have found that yourself. I've found that myself as well. So the problem is not traffic, it's a lack of a strategic plan. So in order to have a profitable, sustainable business, there's 5 critical elements that must be in place. And the first one is having an irresistible offer. Now, you've probably been in that situation before where you see something and you just can't help. It's just the right thing. You got to buy it. That's what we're talking about. And you have to be able to solve a critical problem in your hungry target market. And it has to be compelling enough to turn a profit on your advertising. And that's where people go wrong too, is that you are running traffic, but it's not giving you a profit. Therefore, that's why people quit, is they're not making money. So this irresistible offer has to be so irresistible that your prospects are compelled to buy. And people are naturally skeptical. So you make it irresistible by having more value than anyone else and less risk. So this really, like, they can't help but buy your product because it has so much value and there's very little risk to buying it. Okay, the second thing is that you need targeted traffic. And it's what's called message to market match. The right message in front of the right target market at the right time. So even if you had this great irresistible offer, like maybe you were selling a steak for 75% off, and you tried to sell it to a vegan, you would never sell it to them because that is not your target market. So you need to have laser targeted traffic to your irresistible offer. The third thing you need is an automated sales system. So something that does the selling and telling for you, and you don't have to be present. So you can be making money while you're sleeping or while you're doing other things. So you're driving this traffic to an automated sales system. And this sales system must have certain things in place. The first thing is that it would be able to get quality traffic and then convert it to an email list. Because if you're not capturing people's emails so that you can keep in contact with them, then you're losing money. You also need this sales system to convert your new subscribers into buyers. You need to be able to follow up with 97% of people who do not purchase the first time, because it can take people up to 7 exposures to buy something. And you need to be able to follow up with your buyers and convert to ascending offers or monthly continuity offers. So these buyers, you have to be able to offer something else to them in order for your business to be profitable. And the fourth thing you need is ascension offers. So 90% of profits will come from back-end offers, $2,500 or more, that are sold to existing customers. And the 2 types of offers that convert best at these price points are done with you, where someone is walking you through exactly how to do it, or done for you, where someone runs traffic for you and does all the sales for you. And the fifth thing that you need to have in place is coaching and mentorship. If you want to make 6 or 7 figures, no one really achieves this level of success without a coach or mentor. It's just something that you need to have in place. I mean, you think of Tiger Woods and people who are super successful, they all have coaches, and that is for a good reason, because that is what it takes to have that level of success. And you find people who have already done what you want to do, and they can give you advice based on their results. So they've already done it, they tell you what works, what doesn't work. So you find somebody who has what you want, do what they do, and you'll get what they have. And then you learn exactly what they did in order to become successful. So these are the 5 key elements you must have in place to earn money online in 2018. And if you don't have these things in place, then you can be running traffic and losing money every single time you run traffic. And you might have run into that as well. And that's, again, what makes people quit, is they don't have the right elements in place for them to become successful. And obviously, if you're making money, you're going to continue to progress and you won't quit. So those things are super important. You must have those in place to earn money online in 2018. So if you found value from this video, go ahead and give me a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel, and follow along on my journey as I teach you things that I learn along the way for you to have success as well. So again, subscribe to my channel, and I will talk with you soon in the next video. Take care. Bye now.